If you've lost access to your VPN.ac account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process of recovering your account. Step 1. Visit the VPN.ac login page. Go to the official VPN.ac website and navigate to the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your VPN.ac account. Make sure it's the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a recovery email from VPN.ac. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have reset your password, return to the VPN.ac login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to VPN.ac customer support for further assistance.